Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I will show you how to create NYSC profile. First, you should search for NYSC on your browser. Then after that, you will find here the first section. I'll show you right here, this option right here. Just click on it. And once you click on it, it will redirect you to this page right here. And now what you should do is to create a profile is simply on this section right here. Then click on fresh registration. Now fill in all your information, including the email, and confirm it. Secret question and put the answer and confirm the answer, then click on continue. I'll do these steps, then come to you back, and after that it will show here this message: initiate account creation, your email address has been saved and the confirmation mail has been sent to you. View inbox and spam folder, confirm your email by clicking on the link in the mail to continue your account creation. So now we are going to open our Gmail, and now here I get their message. Just click here to confirm, and now you'll have to enter your NIN, the country of study, institution, JAMB reg number, matric number or ID number, program, part-time or full-time, password, confirm the password, GSM number, and confirm the GSM number. Then click on lookup Senate, and you're all done. You'll just have to follow these steps step by step, and the process is very simple and easy. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching, and see you in a new video.